answer is option 1. Okay, now number 9, we are asked to find the value of the expression 6 factorial plus 5 factorial times 3 factorial over 4 factorial minus 10. We can do this by hand, or we can put this in a calculator. I think this is a good assessment of how good we are at grouping expressions in our calculators. Okay, so you can put the whole thing in the calculator at once, or you can compute them individually and then put your resulting answer into the calculator. So in order to avoid making mistakes, I'm going to do each one independently and then put all the answers together. All right, so my calculator, I'm going to first of all compute 6 factorial. And then the term in the center, 5 factorial times 3 factorial over 4 factorial. I'll compute what that is. And then we know what 10 is. And then I'm going to just put the answers together and evaluate the expression. All right, so that was my calculator. So we're going to start out with 6 factorial. 6, and if you go to catalog, you can find all your operators there. So I'm going to go to catalog, which is second function 0, and scroll up. See where's the factorial symbol. There's another way to figure it out, but this is the one I always use. I like to use the catalog. So there goes the factorial symbol right there. So 6 factorial, enter, is 720. All right, so 6 factorial is 720. Let's write that down. 720. Now this is a complicated expression to enter. You have to be really careful while entering this so you do not have a grouping error, okay? So parenthesis, since there are two terms in the top, 5 catalog. I'm going to go to Z because I know it's right next to Z. Where's my Z at? WXYZ. And go down. Okay, there you go. So 5 factorial times 3 catalog. Go up to factorial. Where are you, factorial? There you are. Alright, divided by 4 factorial. Okay. There's another way you can find factorial other than go to catalog. You can go to math and then scroll to probability and then option 4. That's another way of finding it. Anyway, there you have it. So it's 30. 720 for the first one, the second one is 30. Okay, so what are we computing now? We're going to find 6 factorial is 720 plus 5 factorial times 3 factorial over 4 factorial is 30 minus 10. We can even do this mentally, right? 720 plus 3750 minus 10, your answer is 740. And we can clearly see that option 3 is our correct answer here. Okay? All right, let's move on to question number 10.